In this video, we will learn how to create MemeCoin on Base chain, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. First, we will know what is MemeCoin on Base. A MemeCoin is a type of cryptocurrency inspired by internet memes or humorous themes. These coins often considered assets to have gained popularity for their active community, viral marketing, and explosive growth. Now, create a meme coin on Base chain. We will go to the Base token creator tool, which will allow us to create a token without programming. Then connect your wallet type, name, and symbol you want to give to your token. Define the supply of your token. Click on the create token, accept the transaction, and wait for your token to be in your wallet. If you wish, you can use advanced options like creating your token on a Base chain, such as setting attacks, add up mode, and anti-bot and anti-will. In text, you will be able to select the free will to retain for each transaction of your token. Set the address of your wallet that will receive the transaction fees by activating the airdrop mode. You will prevent users from sending or trading your token until you deactivate it with your bot. You will be able to limit the action of snipers and bots on the liquidify pool of your token, as it will limit the amount of time between transactions per wallet. Well is an outstanding feature that will allow you to set a limit amount of single wallet can buy or sell anytime. The limit between buy or sell transaction of a single wallet on the amount of token that a wallet can hold, and best all, you can set a total number of days in which the anti-whale mechanism will activated, allow you to protect your token from exploit during the first few days. Thanks for watching.